Hey guys, I filmed this makeup tutorial for you guys and I hope you guys like it. Hi, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're actually going to be doing a beauty video. I want to do like a little get ready with me on a date night look because it is going to be Valentine's Day for February. So this is a look I would do if I did have a Valentine. Or if I did have like a cute date for February 14th. So, yeah.
Single, Pringle. Anyone want a jingle?
Put my hair back so it doesn't bother me in my face. So I'm gonna start off with primer. I'm gonna give you guys two options because I always want to give you guys options. I don't want to be like just shoving this product in your face and be like, yeah, this is the one I use, that's it, because I use so many products. So yeah, so I either like to use these two primers. Oh my god, this looks so crusty and gross. I either like to use the ordinary high adherence silicone primer or the Wet n Wild primer. These are really good. They smooth out your skin, blur out all your imperfections. They're both under $10. I just put it all over my face. And I already have a skincare on. It just dried up. If you want to know my skincare, I'll link it down below. It's an ASMR one, but I will do a regular one very soon because not everyone likes ASMR. So I just put this on. Next, I like to conceal my eyes. I like to use this NYX eyeshadow base. It's a skin tone color and it's literally called Skin Tone. And yeah, my hands are all slippery from the primer. So it's just a skin tone shade and I like to put it all over my eyes because I have really dark eye circles. And this makes such a huge difference. But as you guys can see, it makes such a huge difference on my eyes. They look more awake, more vivid. I either use this or I would use the Born This Way Too Faced Concealer. I really like this stuff. It's so good. I'm in the color medium tan if you're wondering. For foundation, this one's gonna be fun. I use these two. I like either or one from these. So this is the Clnique Stay Matte Oil Free Foundation. I really like this. Keeps me matte all day long. I've been using this for a month now. It's really new for me and I really like it. I'm really happy I discovered it. And then this one, I've gone through two of these and they always run out of my shade. I don't know why. I would color correct my face from all the redness, but this foundation does a really good job at concealing everything. And then I like to use a beauty sponge, beauty blender, whatever you guys want to call it, and I just sponge away. I decided to use the Beauty Bakerie one, and I like to use a sponge. I know it looks really bad, I'm sorry. I'm not the best at baking. I don't usually do this unless I'm going out. Yeah. And then I'm gonna buff it in with this CC cream. Okay, so I did my brows off camera and then put the powder on while it was baking. So now I don't have like a white powder cast all over my face. So now we're gonna do eyeshadow. I'm using the Tarte Pro palette. I really love this palette. So I think I'm gonna go for like a red and tan cool tone type of look. Oh, it picked up a lot. Okay, that's cool, whatever. So I'm just gonna go on my outer crease. Just go like this. So next I'm gonna be using this Kaja trio. This is in the color Sparkling Rose number 4. Oh, my voice is gross. I'm using the first shade and it's freaking beautiful. Okay. Ooh, that is beautiful. Okay, so I did eyeliner and mascara because I do want this to be a very soft look. Don't worry, I'm gonna do a whole makeup tutorial on every little product that I use on my next video. I just don't want this video to be forever. So next I'm gonna do highlighter and blush. I really like these products. So this is the Milk Lip and Cheek Tint. And then this highlighter from Wet n Wild, and it's like this pink orange shade, and it's really beautiful on my skin tone. So I just use a sponge to blend this all in, and I bring it upward. So now for the highlighter, I go in. I just go in like this. This is the look without a lipstick on. I feel like my voice is getting worse and worse as I talk. I don't know why. I think I should stop talking. But I really like this makeup look. And now I just need a lipstick. And I'm gonna go for a red. And I never go for reds. I don't wear red for anything. I don't think the red matches this look. It makes my teeth so white though. Not gonna lie. Hey. The red is not the look, guys. I'm gonna take this off. Be right back. It's not the one. Okay, I took it off and I have 3 options. I'm gonna go with Madrid. You know, this beautiful shade, by the way, and it's only $5. Okay, let's do this again. So this is my final look. Oh, sorry, I'm like shaking the camera. Oh.
That's about it. You could say what you want, but I wouldn't believe it. You could write all them signs.
So this is the final look. I did my hair up. I have my bangs. I have my really cute earrings. And yeah, I really like the lipstick. It's really cute. It really complements it. And then I matched like a really cute crop top with it. It's really nice. It matches like the whole theme to my look. This is the look. I hope you guys like it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.